Hello, this is Seher from Easy Peasy. Have you ever wondered what your body is actually made of? Surprisingly, even though there are over 100 elements in nature, only a few are essential for life. In this video, we will explore these special elements called bioelements and understand their role in living organisms. Bioelements, by the definition, are the chemical elements that form living organisms and are necessary for life processes. That includes major elements that make 96% of our body weight. In these major elements, we have oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Then we have secondary elements that make 3 to 4% of our body weight. That includes calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, magnesium, and chlorine. And then we have trace elements that are less than 0.01% of our body weight, and that includes iron, zinc, copper, and iodine. Now, these bioelements are not just elements. They have some functions as well. That includes the structure. They form cells, tissues, and organs. They also help in metabolism and drive chemical reactions and helps in energy production. They also help in regulation of hormones, nerve signals, and balance. Let's go for some easy peasy practice questions. Which of the following element is not a primary bioelement? Calcium, because calcium is a secondary element, it doesn't include in the primary element. Trace elements are typically present in the human body in less than 0.01%. Which of the following is correctly matched? Iodine, that helps in thyroid hormone synthesis. Which group of the element forms the backbone of biomolecules? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Which of the following is a function of bioelements? Structure, metabolism, and regulation. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.